welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's from MCM. So something different from what I usually purchase. You know how I love to go for all the mini bags that looks dainty and cute. So I go for something different this time, and it's way bigger, and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I actually ordered this MCM bag online from their official store, and it actually comes in this really nicely packaged black box. I'll insert the clip somewhere. So this is how it looks like when you arrive safely. And inside it comes with this plastic bag and a dust bag as well. And you can choose whether to gift wrap it as well, and it will look super cute if you ask for gift wrap, which I did. So this is how it looks like if you ask for gift wrap. Yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So over here, it comes in this really nice dust bag that say MCM, and inside that's the thing I purchased. So can you guys guess what it is? So it also comes with the receipt. Over here is MCM wallet along with this and purchase details here. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the bag that I gotten. It's the MCM Reversible Liz Shopper in Vestos. So I'll show you guys the detail right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect if you gotten this bag. So yeah. So this is the Liz Shopper in Vestos close up, and it's more firm than I thought it would be, which is great. And there's the MCM logo with the serial number. So there's even the MCM logo on both sides that holds the top handle. And yeah, it's the top handle bag if I haven't mentioned that already. And inside I put the balloon to keep it in shape so that it doesn't fall and stay firm. And that's the MCM tag as well. And that's the clip and adjustable. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna use it later when I style it. I just love everything about this bag, and it even comes with detachable pouch, which I'll show you guys later. And at the side there's also MCM. So this detachable pouch that comes with this purchase is a set actually, which is really cute. You can even carry it individually as a handbag or something, and that's a 1-year warranty. And that's how the inside of the bag looks like. At the back there's also the MCM logo, things that you should look out for if you want to purchase the bag. And yeah, it's just super firm. I love the Vestos color. I think I picked the right one this time round. So this is how the Shopper Liz bottom looks like. Sadly, it doesn't come with the stand, so that's the only downside that I can find with this bag. But luckily it's still quite firm, so that's great. I'll show you guys now how I reverse the reversible Liz Shopper, which takes a lot of effort, but I managed to do it. So this is how it looks like after you reverse it. It takes a lot of effort for me to try to reverse it to the other side. It feels different. This side is actually the cloth, and inside is more of the leather material. I think it looks cute either way, but I would prefer it to be the Vestos design, which is the flip side. So I think whenever I go out, I'll use the Vestos design instead. So yeah, if you like to flip it and switch it up your style and all, I think this is a great bag for you because like it's so versatile, and you can, not to mention it comes with an extra detachable pouch which you can bring around and put your wallet, cards and belonging that you want to keep inside. So yeah, I think it's a super price for a bag, and I absolutely love it. This is how the flip side of the reversible Shopper Liz looks like. It's a completely different style, and I'm sure some of you will love it, some of you will hate it. For me, I'm quite neutral about it, but I honestly prefer the Liz Shopper Vestos side. I think I might carry it on days that when I want to switch out my style or something. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like when I carry it or how to style it. You can style it as a handbag, or you can style it as a bucket bag with the adjustable clip in the middle like I showed you earlier. So thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. So let me know what you guys think about this MCM bag. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!